Hello students. Today I am going to discuss about the theories of rasa in the art. The rasa theory has been accepted as the core literary theory by all major poeticians both before and after Abhinavagupta. As like theories in many theories in mathematics or science, here also we have a theory which is accepted by the famous poeticians, and in particular the discussion analysis by Vishwanatha and poetic Jagannatha have contributed towards a more subtle understanding of this theory. So these poeticians, they have contributed towards this rasa theory, and also in understanding the theory. And rasa referring generally to the emotional flavors. So mostly this rasa theory is dealt with emotional, means essence crafted into the work by the writer and released by a sensitive spectator with positive taste and mind. So rasa is created by bhava. So sensitive means, we used to tell people who are very sensitive. Okay, so spectator means watchful. So this sensitive spectator only crafted this rasa theory with more into emotional flavor and also with positive taste and mind. So we have 9 rhetorical sentiments recognized in drama and dramatic presentation. So you would have seen all these sentiments or attributes in drama and dramatic presentation. Sringara, Radra, Shant, Hasya, Veer, Bibhatsa, Karuna, Bhayanaka, and Arabat. So first, we'll go to the first sentiments, erotic sentiments in rasa theory is Sringara. So Sringara means it represents love and beauty. So you can see the expressions of the lady's face of love, and represents attractiveness and devotion. So it is dealt with devotion also. Example, you can refer Kalidasa, Abhiyan Shagundalam, Vishnu. So mostly they use color as light green for Sringara, which is an erotic sentiments in rasa theory. Now, Karuna. Karuna is, in other words, we can say it's a pathetic sentiments in rasa theory. It represents sadness. You can see the expression of this lady's face, lady face, sadness, compassion, very pity or grief. Okay, very sorrowful, palma irukkudu. So example, you can refer Kalidasa, Abhiyan Shagundalam, Yama. So color they use this for white. Next, comic sentiment is nothing but hasya. So it's for humorous comedy, represents laughter, joy, or mirth. So it can be used to depict simple joy. You can see that joy in her face, laughter, and everything in between. Example, Ravana. You can, so color here also it's white. Next, Radra is furious. Furious means very anger, very annoyed. Example, Shiva. Color they use for anger is red. Next, Veeram, heroic. Okay, so it represents courage, strong, pride, bravery, and self confidence. Okay, you can see in his face the character of pride, brave, and strong and confident. You can see, example, the character of Ramayana. Next, Bhayanaka is terrible. பயமாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, I think that why it indicates Bhayanaka. It represents horror, terror, fear, and anxiety. What is going to happen? So, example, character of Rakshasa, color, they use black. They use black. Okay. Next, Bibasa is odious, represents disgust, வெறுக்கத்தக்க, aversion, ஒரு மாதிரி அசிங்கமாக இருக்குது, அருவருப்பாக இருக்குது, அதுதான் அந்த எமோஷன்ஸ். எமோஷன்ஸ் evoked by anything that nauseates us, that is வெறுக்கத்தக்கிறது, நமக்கு பிடிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது, that revolts or sickness. So that makes us depressed, that makes us to go into the corner and sit, that makes us to go down. Example, Prince Siddhartha, Shiva, color they use is blue, blue, blue. And Adabhuta, marvelous, excitement, curiosity, wonder, mystery. Okay, so amazing, amazement one feels when one comes across something divine and supernatural, miracles, creative miracles. So example, character of Rama, Brahma, color yellow. Next, Shanta. Shantam, peace, relaxation, amedi. It represents peace and serenity and the state of calmness. Example, Rama, color they use is white. White. So that's all about the sentiments, the different sentiments, emotional sentiments involved in the Rasa theory. Thank you.